Hi guys, welcome back to Art by Jennifer. For those of you who are joining me for the very first time, welcome to my channel. And for those of you who've been here before, you know what I'm going to say. Welcome back. This week I'm going to be doing a flip cup. I have not done a flip cup in a long time, so I'm going to be using 3-ounce cups to do a flip cup. I'm going to be using 5 colors by Artis Loft, and I'm going to be using the ready mix pouring paint. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, stick around. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to be using Artis Loft's ready mix pour paints, and I'm going to be using the colors silver and black and what is this? Bright yellow, aqua green, and turquoise. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be using 2 3-ounce cups. I'm not going to quite fill them though. I'll probably do maybe about a little more than half in each cup. So let's get started. Oh, before we get started, also, I'm using Artis Loft's Bright White, and I mixed it with Floetrol. It's 50% Floetrol, 50% Elmer's Glue All, and water to the texture that I needed. So it's sort of watery, but not super, super watery. It's still enough where it just pulls up right on top. Okay, so let's get started, guys. In this first cup, I'm going to do a little bit of black. Actually, not yet. Let's open them up. I'm going to start with turquoise. There we go. And then some yellow. Then some silver. This is a flip cup, not a tree ring, Jennifer. You don't have to do it that way. A little black. And some aqua. A little bit more turquoise. And a splash more yellow. Well, that was a heck of a splash. I'm going to do 2 of these. So I'm going to start this one with yellow. Then I'll throw some silver on top. Some aqua. Excuse me. And some turquoise. And some black. Hopefully we're not making mud here. And did I put silver in here already? I don't know. Add some more silver. And to both of these, I'm going to add a sprinkle of white. Let's see. I think that should be enough for both of them. So now what we'll do is move the paint out of the way. And we'll flip them. I'm going to do one here and one here. That's 1, and that's 2. So I'm going to flood around the outside of it, as such. And give it a moment.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Holy nuggets, you guys, we got cells. Okay, so this is unprecedented for me. because with my Artis Loft pouring medium, I usually never get cells at all. So this is awesome. Torch it a little bit, get some of them out, some of the air bubbles out, and then we're gonna move it around. Okay guys, so when I moved it, it appears that I killed all of my cells that were in it. So let's torch it again and see if we can't get anything else to happen.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping light.
So you guys, I think this week's painting turned out absolutely amazing. Artis Loft's paint surprised me this week because ordinarily I do not get cells out of this paint at all. However, as you guys saw, when we initially lifted the flip cup, we actually had some cells. Now, when I moved it, that was a whole nother ball game. It turned from cells into slight lacing, I guess is what you would call it. But I enjoyed making it, and I hope you guys absolutely enjoyed watching it. If you're interested in trying it, go to Michael's and get you some of this paint. They have the small ones that you can try. I think they've got the container of the small ones for maybe like $15.99 or so. And I think it gives you like 8 of them to try, but it's worth a try in my opinion. Have a great time. Try this out. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more of my content every week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I put out a new video. And until next time, see you guys later. Bye.